wishes from Bouncy. Today we are going to explore important aspects of maintaining good relationships with others. What kinds of things would you do for your friends? Take a look at the situations displayed on the screen and discuss in class. Your friend has left behind his water bottle in the playground. Will you let it lie there, or will you take it back to the classroom and return it to him? That's good. You will take it back to the classroom and return it to him. Here is another situation. What if your friend missed a day at school? Would you call and tell him or her what happened in class that day? Or would you leave it to him or her to find out what happened the next day? That's right. You will call and tell her what happened in class that day. Having a friend is not just about fun. It is also about responsibility and helping each other out. Let us find out what can happen when you forget your responsibility. This is the story of Aditi and Aditya, who are best friends. They do everything together, play together, study together, eat together. They even live close to one another. But Aditi has one problem. She often forgets to tell Aditya important information. Sounds silly? This little mistake almost caused a big problem one day. Shall we see how?
Children, listen to me carefully. We are all going for a one-day trip to a natural park tomorrow. We will see loads of animals and birds there. Aditi, can you please tell Aditya as he is not in class today?
Yay! Sounds exciting. I have to tell Aditya before I forget. What do you think Aditi can do to make sure she doesn't forget to tell Aditya about the trip? Can you suggest 2 ways by which she can remember what she needs to tell Aditya? Aditi could write it down in her diary so that she won't forget. She can request another classmate to remind her at the end of the day so that she doesn't forget. On the day of the picnic, Aditi suddenly realized she had forgotten one very important thing. Can you guess what it could be?
Oh no!
What happened, Aditi?
I forgot to tell Aditya about the picnic today. He was absent yesterday and he doesn't know. He is going to be very angry with me.
Don't worry. Better late than never. Call him quickly.
Do you think this can affect the friendship between Aditi and Aditya? If yes, how?
Hi Aditi. Aditya? What happened? You sound a little dull. I'm sorry Aditya. I forgot to tell you something very important. What is it? We are going on a picnic today. I was supposed to tell you. It's okay, calm down. I know about the picnic. I'm getting ready for it. How did you know? Who told you? The teacher called all the kids who were absent yesterday. I was very angry with you at first. Do you realize I may have missed the trip? I'm so sorry. I don't know what to say. I hope you will not stop talking to me. No, not at all. You are my best friend. I'm not angry with you now. But next time, please don't forget to tell me such important things immediately. Of course I will. I have to find a way to remember things and tell people on time.
That was close. Next time, I hope Aditi remembers her responsibility to her friends.